Hey guys, welcome back to our channel. On this tech tutorial video, we're going to teach you step by step how you can create tasks in your ClickUp workspace, for example, to assign team members or coworkers to the given task and to work on that task together. So let us guide you through this. It is very simple. So what you want to do is head over to ClickUp and log into your account and start by selecting your workspace here in the top left corner. After that, guys, pay attention to that panel here on the left hand side. Here at the bottom, you will see a feature called spaces. So select it and choose your space you would like to work on. So as you can see, I created the test space for demonstration purposes. Access it. And what you want to do after that, guys, here in your test space is switch from overview to list and add your first task to your list. You may do that, for example, by clicking on that button here, add task, or in the plus icon, and give your task a name, like for example task 2, because I have already added task number 1. Now you may, for example, click on the given task to customize it. Here at the top you will see the task title. Below you see the status, like if you click on the status you will be given the opportunity to set a status like to do, in progress, or complete, or simply click on a check mark to mark the given task as complete once it has been completed. Let me just switch back to do. Below you may set a start date as well as a due date for the given task. So let me go, for example, of July 14th, and a due date, let's say next week. You may also set a recurring start base or a recurring module for the given task by clicking on the start date. And here at the bottom you will see an option called set recurring. So click on it and decide whether you'd like to run the given task on a weekly basis or repeat it daily, every month, and so on and so forth. So after that, guys, what you want to do is assign team members to the task, by clicking on assignees here and select your assignees or team members from the list below, like yourself, or for example, invite team members by entering their email address here or their name, username here on ClickUp, and send an invitation to invite them to your task. You may also set a priority like urgent, high, normal. Let me go with high, for example, and so on and so forth, guys. Keep customizing, like for example, adding labels to your task like social media or I don't know, a calendar, and so on and so forth. You may describe your task here below where it says add description by using the text box here. Give your task a short description. Below you will see the details, like for instance, you may upload attachments to your task like instructions in PDF by clicking on upload here or by clicking on the plus icon there. And last but not least, guys, what you want to do as well is, for example, click on that star icon in the top right to bookmark the given task, or you may, for example, share that task with your team members or even with externals by clicking on share and by sending a shareable invitational link to team members or coworkers who haven't joined your workspace yet by using, for example, the shareable link here, or by sending an invitation via email. And what you want to do also, guys, is set notifications, activity notifications, for example, by clicking on that bell icon here, and so on and so forth. You will see the activity here, like assignees added to the task, the creation of the task, the completion, and so on and so forth. So click on that X icon once you're ready to work on a given task and refresh the page. And after a brief moment, you will see the given task added to your list and to your space. There you go. There you go. So for example, guys, once the given task has been completed, simply click on that or select that icon here to the right to set a complete or in progress status. And that's basically it, guys. That's how you create tasks on ClickUp. Hope you enjoyed this video, got some value from it, and we'll see you next time on our channel.